Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? I hope you are all well. Are you ready to our lesson today? Who's ready? Wow, all of you, excellent. Today our lesson, Surah Al-Buruj. First, the time of dua. I will read the dua in Arabic, then in English. I want you to repeat after me. اللهم إني أعوذ بك من البرص والجنون والجذام ومن سيء الأسقام. O Allah, I seek refuge in Thee from leprosy, madness, elephantiasis, and evil disease. For the dua, you can say the dua anytime you want. It's no specific time for the dua. Second, the time of Holy Quran. We have Surah Al-Duha, Surah Al-Teen, and Surah Al-Alaq. Who can recite all the surahs today? For Surah Al-Alaq, who can tell me what the name the first surah revealed to Prophet Muhammad? Do you remember? What is the first surah revealed to Prophet Muhammad? Surah Al-Alaq. Yeah, very good. But if I ask you what's the name the first surah in Holy Quran, in the book of Holy Quran? Surah Al-Fatiha. Excellent. Let's continue. Your target today to recite the verses of Surah Al-Buruj from verse number 1 to verse number 7 by using the rules of Tajweed. Now we will recite the verses of Surah Al-Buruj. Today we have first 7 verses of Surah Al-Buruj. First we will read the verses in Arabic, then after what the meaning in English. قال تعالى بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والسماء ذات البروج واليوم الموعود وشاهد ومشهود قتل أصحاب الأخدود النار ذات الوقود إذ هم عليها قعود وهم على ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين شهود. Let's read what the meaning of the verses in English. By the sky, signs few more verses, by the promised day of judgment, by one that witnesses and the subject of the witness, woe to the makers of the pit of fire, fire supplied with fuel. Behold, they sit over again in the fire, and they witnessed all that they were doing again in the believers. Now recite and repeat the verses. Click the link, then you can listen to the surah. Through the game, find out the meaning of the following Quranic words. First, what the meaning of was-sama? Who will tell me? Al-Buruj. What the meaning of Al-Buruj? Today our surah, Surah Al-Buruj. Can you tell me what the meaning of Al-Buruj? وشاهد ومشهود. This verse, وشاهد ومشهود. What the meaning of this verse? واليوم الموعود. What the meaning of واليوم الموعود? Who's excellent, tell me. Can you tell me how did Allah create the things? What do you see here first in these pictures? Beaches, mountain, sea, trees, snow. How did Allah create all the things? And this one indicate to what? Can you make connection between these pictures and our surah today, Surah Al-Buruj? Think and answer. Who's excellent and tell me why did Allah threaten the people of the ditch with punishment on the day of judgment? What they did? Hmm, hmm. Who's excellent and tell me if you read the surah and know what the meaning of the surah, you can answer the question very easy. First, read Surah Al-Buruj, then what the meaning of Surah Al-Buruj so you can answer all the questions. Real life, you will link to real life, link to reality. What would you do if you have a test from Allah? If you have a test from Allah, what should you say first? Huh. Then what should you do? If anything happened to you and you have tests from Allah, this one good or bad, what should you do in this situation? We said we have one from pillars of faith or pillars of Iman. Believe in Al Qadar. Everything happened to you, good or bad. Huh. Who can tell me what would you do if you have a test from Allah? At the end of the lesson, our plenary. Choose the activity that is suitable for you, then send it to your teacher. I will check who will answer all the questions. Thank you, my students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.